Many people install door chains to prevent this from happening.
Can I help you?
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to J-Rule Productions. In the earlier footage, you guys saw how easily it is to invade into a house. Sometimes simple door chains will not work. They're easily broken, one swift kick, and then that's the end of that.
Door chains and deadbolts are not as secure as most people think. These examples show how weak door chains and other security devices really are.
So today I'm reviewing this awesome product courtesy of Strike Plate Locks. This is the maximum security door chain and flip lock, which features added security to your current lock situation. It's strong and simple to install. It's law enforcement endorsed. So let me tell you a little bit of history about how this came to be. The headline says, retired cop invents super strength door lock. Back in April 3rd of 2015, when a former LA County Sheriff's Office police officer, Robert Dieguez, was stuck at home due to injury, he came up with the strike plate lock concept. Now back in 2014, he was confined to his house, which happens to be the bottom floor, due to a back injury. So he had to use a walker to move about. He challenged himself to get to the front door each day for exercise, and started thinking about how vulnerable he was to intruders given his debilitating injury. So this is where this design came about. This is available on their website, Doorchain.com, or it's available on Amazon in 3 colors for $19.95. This is the nickel color. It's also available in the browns and gold. Here on the back, simple steps on how to install it. Basically what you do is unscrew the screws on the current hinge or where it mates into the door lock deadbolt, and then place this over there. Use the screws that's provided by it, and then just latch it onto the doorknob. So anytime, every time we enter the door, you will have that gap in security in place. Alright, that's the website. Check it out. Let's open this up. Quick unboxing. Like I said, there's a nickel color, very nice shiny design, very simple. Alright, but I noticed that looks like my unit didn't come with the screws. It's supposed to come with a 2-inch screw, which gets inserted into the wood for added stability. So let's go ahead and install this and see how it works. Alright, so here's my front door setup. You have a regular switch hinge type of doorknob along with the deadbolt. So my first step is to simply remove the screws from the bottom door plate. Alright, just the location where you're going to think of putting the strike plate lock. Now again, these are simple short screws. Definitely use the 2-inch screws that's provided. But I'm just going to demonstrate using this because I don't have 2-inch screws out in the house. Alright, now I'm going to replace it with the strike plate knob. Alright, now I'm going to close the door. Engaged. And that's how to use it. You either put it around the doorknob, or if you have one of these type of door swivels, then you place it right there. If someone is knocking the door, I'll simply open it like that. Then I have a tiny little gap, which I was expecting more, but I can answer the door like this, not worrying about anybody trying to bust through. Who is it? So as simple as that, guys. That's pretty awesome design, isn't it?
Put it on, pull it back, go for it. Do what you have to. The strike plate lock installed on a door being hit with a 90-pound bag.
Now I can truly answer the door without any worries and with a security in mind. This will be perfect for elderly people, or maybe kids left at home alone, and maybe even for female homeowners. Especially if your door doesn't have a peephole or any window to see who is at the door. This added security feature will definitely give you that peace of mind. And it is the perfect time to buy it, and it makes an awesome Christmas present. When it comes to the safety and security of your family, don't settle for second best. Use only strike plate locks. Sorry for the late review, but I am definitely enjoying this product. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your family.